If you're looking for a complete Hostinger VPS tutorial and want to learn how to set up a VPS server step by step, this video is for you. In this Hostinger VPS tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of setting up a Hostinger VPS from scratch. We'll cover choosing the right VPS plan, configuring the server, securing access, and getting everything ready for your website or application. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully configured VPS server ready to use. Let's get started. To get started, click the Hostinger VPS discount link in the description below. I've also included the exclusive Hostinger coupon code next to the link, which you can apply at checkout to unlock an additional discount and get the lowest pricing available. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I merit a commission at no extra cost to you. Hostinger VPS hosting includes AMD EPYC Processors, NVMe SSD Storage, full root access, global data centers, weekly backups, KVM Virtualization technology, VPS Management Through hPanel, 30-day money-back guarantee. These features make Hostinger VPS hosting a strong option for websites, applications, Docker projects, WordPress sites, and more. Once you're on the Hostinger VPS page, click the Choose Plan button. You now see the available Hostinger VPS plans. Hostinger currently offers several VPS options, including KVM 1, KVM 2, KVM 4, and KVM 8. These plans differ in CPU resources, RAM, storage, and bandwidth allocations. For beginners running a website, blog, or small business site, KVM 1 is often sufficient. For larger projects, multiple websites, WooCommerce stores, or applications, KVM 2 or KVM 4 are commonly better choices. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and click Choose Plan. Next, look over the right-hand side of the checkout page and click Have a Coupon Code. Then paste in the exclusive Hostinger coupon code I've included in the description below and click Apply. Once the code is applied, you'll see the total price update right away, giving you an additional discount on top of the pricing already shown. Next, choose your hosting term. Hostinger offers different billing options, including monthly and longer-term plans. The longer-term plans usually offer the lowest monthly price, so if you want the best overall savings, choosing a longer term is usually the better option. After that, you see an option for daily auto backups. This is an optional add-on that automatically creates a backup of your VPS server every day. If something goes wrong, such as a bad configuration change, failed software update, or accidental mistake, backups can help you restore your server to a previous working version. If you're new to VPS hosting or using your VPS for an important project, having some type of backup system in place is a smart idea. You can use Hostinger's daily auto backups option or configure your own backup solution later. Next, choose your server location. This determines the physical data center where your VPS will be hosted. In most cases, you'll want to choose the location closest to your target audience. Choosing a nearby data center can help reduce latency and improve performance for your website or application. Next, select your operating system. This determines the software environment your VPS will run on. You see options like Ubuntu, Debian, Alma Linux, and other Linux distributions. For most beginners, Ubuntu is usually a good choice because it's widely supported, beginner-friendly, and works well for many different VPS projects. Hostinger also shows pre-configured templates that include control panels or application stacks. These can make setup easier if you want to manage your server through a visual dashboard instead of doing everything manually through the command line. For this general Hostinger VPS tutorial, choose the operating system or template that fits your project best. If you're unsure, Ubuntu is usually a safe, beginner-friendly option. Once you've selected your operating system or template, click Confirm, then click Continue. Next, create a new Hostinger account or log into your existing account to complete your purchase. After checkout is complete, Hostinger will take you to the Secure Your VPS Access section. Here, you'll create your server or panel password. This password will be used to access your VPS or control panel, so make sure you create something strong and secure. I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, then saving it somewhere safe. On the right-hand side, you may also see an option to add an SSH key. SSH keys are mainly used by developers or more advanced users who want a secure way to connect to the server without using a password. If you're a beginner, You can skip this step for now. You can always add an SSH key later from inside the VPS dashboard. Once your password is created, click Next. Next, you'll see the additional features section. The malware scanner will be included for free. I recommend leaving this enabled because it helps monitor your VPS for suspicious activity. You may also see daily auto backups again. This is the backup feature we talked about earlier, and it can be useful if you're managing important websites, applications, or client projects. Depending on the operating system or template you selected, you may also see additional license options. For most beginner VPS setups, you can usually leave these settings as they are unless you specifically know you need one of the paid licenses. Once everything looks good, click Next. Now, your VPS server will begin provisioning. You'll see a progress bar while Hostinger prepares your server. During this process, Hostinger is creating your virtual server, allocating CPU, RAM, and storage resources, installing the operating system, and configuring the server environment. This can take a few minutes. You don't need to do anything during this step. Everything is being set up automatically. Once the setup is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen letting you know your VPS is ready. At this point, your Hostinger VPS server is fully deployed and live, and you're ready to start managing, connecting to, and configuring your server. After provisioning completes, click the Manage VPS button. You'll arrive at the VPS Management Dashboard. This is where you'll manage your server moving forward. You'll be able to view server resources, monitor performance, manage backups, access terminal tools, restart or reinstall your server, manage security settings, perform other server administration tasks. Hostinger provides VPS management tools directly through hPanel, making server management easier for beginners. At this point, your VPS is fully deployed and ready to use. What you do next depends on the type of project you're building. Some users install WordPress websites, others deploy Docker containers, web applications, development environments, game servers, or custom software. Because you have full root access, you have complete control over how your VPS is configured and what you choose to run on it. Before launching your project, there are a few important tasks worth completing. Make sure you keep your operating system updated, use strong passwords, enable appropriate security protections, create regular backups, and monitor your server resources. Following these best practices can help improve both performance and security over time. And that's how to set up a Hostinger VPS server step by step. Your VPS is now deployed, configured, and ready for your website, application, or project. If this Hostinger VPS tutorial helped you out, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more VPS tutorials, web hosting guides, and website creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.